Hi friends, do you think just because you studied in Hindi medium school you cannot learn English? Or do you think English is for those who studied in convent or private school students? No, this is the big myth and today I am going to break this myth for you. So friends, English is not a talent you born with it. It is just a language and any language can be learned with practice. It is just a skill and any skill can be learned with practice. So let me take an example of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar didn't become a god of cricket in a day. With practice he became. And similarly, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam lived in a small village and he became one of the great scientists and president of India. So friends, if they can, then why you can't? Just you need to believe in yourself and you need to focus on yourself and you need practice. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, you will definitely achieve. So you have to be consistent, then definitely you will learn and you have to believe in yourself. And I live in a small village and there is no any English environment and there are no any kind of big coaching class and modern facilities. I live in a very small village and there are not much facility, very less facility, and even I decided to learn English. I never give up because don't think if you live in a village then it is your weakness, it is your strength. Many great person they become uh, successful in their life. Most of the person from village you can see, so why you can't? So friends, if you want to achieve success and achieve goal in your life, you have to be serious and you should believe in yourself, because don't think you if in starting you are making mistake and what people will think if you make mistake. Don't think about the people. uh, when I started my journey there was no one who helped me and there was no environment. I made my own environment, English environment, and still I'm learning. I'm not good speaker, but I'm trying and I believe in myself that one day I will definitely learn English and I will become fluent speaker. So you should also believe in yourself and never give up. And I always remember the word of Swami Vivekananda: arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. So, friends, you should also believe in yourself, because if I can speak English because of there is no environment and I just speaking because of uh, my belief, because I believe in myself. So many people thinks it is impossible to learn English while you are doing work and if you are so much tired and if you live in a village. So friends, let me tell you, if you are interested and if you are passionate about anything, you will find the way to learn. So you have to be passionate and you have to be consistent, because if you start, suppose you start today and you read 2 hours 3 hours and then you left for 1 month and after 1 month again you will start, then how you will learn? So try to learn small words in a day. If you start with small, and one day you will definitely see the result in yourself. So no matter if you're thinking like today I'm tired and I can't learn anything and I want to sleep now because I did a lot of work. So it's okay. If you're thinking any day, then just 5 minutes study or 5 minutes watch. But be consistent in your life. Make schedule And according to schedule, you can set a times anytime where your free times, night, morning, anytime you're free. Just make a timetables. So friends, I'm also learning English. I'm not a fluent speaker, but now I'm able to speak. I know I'm making mistake, but I don't care about the mistake because I'm learning from my mistake. If I will not make mistake, then how can I learn? So after making the video, I also watch my own video and I try to rectify my mistake, and next time I try to not repeat the same mistake. So I am learning this way. So you should also learn. So believe in yourself and try from today itself. Don't wait for motivation. If you think about motivation, then you can't, because motivation comes and goes. And don't think there is no good environment, and there I don't have any kind of friend. You can find friend in social media. You have mobile, then you have everything, because there are a lot of free application you can use, and you can make friends with them. And audio conversation also you can talk, even video conversation. In the beginning, if you are not comfortable, then try to talk on audio. And you don't know anyone, right? Then why you hesitate to talk with them? And if you are not able to speak a single word, then try to listen a lot, because how we learn our mother tongue? By listening only, right? When we were child, we were only listening and we were observing which how they are talking. Then later we started talking, and when you start speaking, at that time you can also think. We also laugh when small children speak any language and they make mistake. So this is the also language, and we can learn with practice. So never give up and try it from today itself. And I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.